Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's our topic is fundamental operations on decimal numbers. Fundamental operations is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These operations we will call fundamental operations in math. Okay. Now what about the decimal numbers? What is the decimal number? So here you know these numbers we will call what we'll call integers, right? So here if you observe there is no any point, right? So here now if we'll take like this 4.21, 21.4, 51.03. These are the decimal numbers. These are the decimal numbers we will call. Okay. Now fundamental operations on decimal numbers, how to do we will see. Okay. The first one we will see how to do the addition. How to do addition we will see. 3.41 plus 42.1. How to add these two numbers? These are the decimal numbers. So how to add these two means here. First we will write the first number vertically. The second is what? After point, how many decimal numbers are there here? How many decimals are there? Only one. So here point should come under the point only. So next is 1. Here 1 and here 42 is there. So here 2, 4 here we should write. Right. So after the right side of the point, how many zeros also we can add it. So if you want 0, you can add it. Now we are doing what? Addition. We are doing addition, right? 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Point is a point. Next 3 plus 2 is 5. The next is what? 4. It's very easy, right? So only one thing here, you have to understood how to write vertically these numbers. Which one below the other, what we have to write. If you know that one, the addition is very easy. And the same, like this one is subtraction also we will get. So we'll see another number also. 0.32. Okay, now the addition of 12.16. How to add these two numbers we will see. So 521.32, 12.16. Point below the we should get point only. Point below the point only we should write. So here both the points in the same place, right? Now 1 6. So 1 6. Now here which one is there? Now here 12. So 12 here we have to write. Understood? Now what we are doing? Addition we are doing. So addition, normal addition only. How to add? Same like that only. 6 plus 6 is what? 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. Point is there? Point. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 5. It's very easy, right? 562.4. Next here 52 we have to subtract, right? So this is an integer, but this is a decimal number. What we should do here? Here for 52 we can take 0.00. How many zeros is required? We can take that many zeros. Right side of the point, n number of zeros also we can take. In that case also that value it won't change. Now, so here 52. So here 5 to 0.0. 1 0 is only required. So here I taken only 1 0. Here what we should do? We have to do subtraction. If you add also same thing only. Next 4 minus 0. 4. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. Next is the 5. So 510.4 is the answer. We'll see the next number also. Right. So now 616.72 minus 0.6. 0.6. How to subtract these two numbers? So 616.72. Next is what? Point below 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 and 6 is as it is. How much we'll get? How to do multiplication we will see. Addition and subtraction same only. So how to do multiplication we will see. 41.2 into 12.1. 12.1. How to multiply these two numbers we will see. Okay, so just normally we have to multiply. How we will multiply? Normally we have to multiply. Just we have to remove the points. 121. What we will get? 49,852 will get. After multiplying, just we have to observe here one thing. So here in this one, after point, how many digits are there? Only one. Here after point, how many digits? Only one. So total how many digits are there? 2. So from last we should count 1, 2. So from last we have to count. After 2 digits we have to put point. So 498.52 is the answer, right? So we will see the another number also. Suppose here 9.2 into 9.8. If you are going to multiply 9.2 into 9.8, what we should do here? See here, just you have to remove the points and normally you have to multiply it. So how much you will get? 1690. So here 90 16 we will get if you multiply normal method. So here after multiplying, just you have to observe here the first number and the second number also. After point how many digits are there? Here after point how many digits? Here 1 and here also 1. Total how much together? 2 are there. So from last we should count 1, 2. So 90.16 we will get. So then how to do division? How to division? 12.1 by 1.1. Here you have to observe here one thing. In the both the decimal numbers, so in the numerator first you observe in the numerator, after point how many digits are there? Only 1. In the denominator also after point how many digits are there? Only 1. So now here you can ignore the point only. So 121 by 11 we can take directly. Why? Because here after point the number of digits are same. Suppose the number of digits are same after point in both numerator and denominator also. In this case we can ignore the points and normally we can take normal integers, like integers we can take and we can do the division. Whatever you'll get the answer, that answer only for this also. So how much you'll get? 11 ones, 11 ones, 11 ones. So 11 only we will get. So for this answer also same 11 only. Here you have to observe one thing. After point in the numerator one digit only is there. In down also denominator also after point only one digit is there. In this case, the number of digits in both numerator and denominator after point, if it is same, we can ignore the points and we can take the directly whatever the numbers like integers. So now we can do the normal simplification. We know how to do division. So we can take the whatever we get the answer, the same answer only for the given decimal numbers also, right? So we'll see the another example. Suppose if the digits are not same after point, what we should? In the numerator, whatever the decimal number they given, here after point how many digits are there? Only one digit. In the denominator it's normal integer only. In this case what we should do? Here you have to observe here one thing. So in the numerator after point how many digits are there? Only one. So here, so we have to ignore that point and the 11 into what are the numbers are there? Only it's end with 0, the two base numbers we should take. So 10 we have to take. Suppose here after point 2 digits are there, means here we should take the 100. Done. Right. So now we have to do normal division only. 11 ones, 11, 11s are. So here finally what we will get? 11 by 10 is nothing but what? 1.1. Right. Easy only, right? We will see the another example also what we will get. We'll see another example how to find it. So here suppose 1.44 divided by 1.2. 1.44 divided by 1.2. If you observe here, both the numbers are decimal numbers, and after point the number of digits are not same. So here what we should do in this case means, here in the numerator after point, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. In the denominator after point only 1 digit is there. So how much is required if subtract 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So now here we should do one thing. So we have to ignore the points, and in numerator only we have more digits after point. So in denominator we have to take it 10. Why? Because only one digit is more than the denominator. Why? Because here after point, here 2 digits are there. Here after point only 1 digit is there. So here, so one more 0 is required. So we taken here into 10. Now here normal division, how we will do? Like that. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12 and 12 twos are 24. So here 12 by 10 we will get. 12 by 10 is nothing but what? 1.2 is the answer, right? So next one, see here. Next example. (169) divided by 0.13. 169 divided by 0.13. In this case, what we should do? Here if you observe, here in the numerator it is an integer, in the denominator it is a decimal number. Here also same here. Here after point there is no any digits. Here after the point, here 2 digits are there. So now we have to add 2 zeros for the denominator. For the numerator, we have to add 2 zeros for the numerator. So what we will get now? 169 into 2 zeros number is what? 100 divided by, we can ignore the now point. So 13. Now we have to check. So which 13 ones are 13. 13 13s are 169. So 13 into 100, how much we'll get? 1300 is the our answer. Is very easy, right? So here just you have to do one thing here. First you have to observe in the numerator after point how many decimals are there. In the denominator also after point how many decimals are there. If they are same, we can ignore the points. Normally numbers we can take. We can do the simplification. Or else if they are not same. So suppose in the numerator after point digits are more. That case we have to add zeros in the denominator. If the denominator is having more digits after the point, how many are more? That many zeros we have to add for the numerator. The remaining process is same. I hope all are understood, right? So I hope all are like this video also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.